Okay, what's this? Daniel Alexander. Different print. So this is a bigger, larger one, if you want to call it that. It's still a thong cut, but it's more full. It's the large glare thong. I thought the pattern looked pretty cool. I may attempt to wear this as a swimsuit. It's got the ruched back, is that what that's called? It's kind of sewn together to make it cinch in more, puckered or ruched, one of those. You don't need that too much since it's a thong, but so all the way through the bottom there, wide side straps, bulge pouch, pretty big pouch. May attempt to wear it as a swimsuit, but it doesn't have a drawstring, so it's a higher probability of flying off in a wave. Something to watch out for. Thought the pattern was cool. Large glare print. Glare. So from Daniel Alexander. What do you think, guys? Do you like this one? Once again, if you want to see more, I might be able to do a little bit this one on YouTube here. Definitely more for members. This one's probably okay. In the context of reviewing only. Let's see if there's a members video on this one, guys. So Daniel Alexander.